Introducing the Shark Vertex-powered lift-away upright vacuum, a powerhouse cleaning solution engineered to tackle even the toughest messes with ease. Boasting unmatched suction power of 1344 watts and innovative technologies such as a self-cleaning Brushroll and DuoClean PowerFins, this vacuum delivers exceptional performance on all floor types. With its versatile powered lift-away capability and pet-friendly design, including specialized attachments for pet hair removal, it offers unparalleled convenience and effectiveness. Coupled with features like an anti-allergen complete seal and LED headlights for enhanced visibility, this vacuum redefines cleaning efficiency and effectiveness for households of all types. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Unmatched suction power. This vacuum stands out with its exceptional suction power, boasting an impressive 1344 watts of cleaning strength. This means deep-seated dirt and debris don't stand a chance, ensuring thorough cleaning sessions every time. Number 2. Innovative self-cleaning brush roll. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its self-cleaning brush roll, specifically engineered to tackle pet hair without the nuisance of hair wrap. This innovative design ensures efficient pickup of pet hair, maintaining optimal performance over time. Number 3. DuoClean PowerFins technology. Equipped with DuoClean PowerFins, this vacuum offers a unique combination of a PowerFins brush roll and a soft roller, delivering continuous cleaning contact across all floor types. Whether it's carpets or hard floors, this technology digs deep to pick up more debris with every pass, surpassing the performance of the original DuoClean system. Number 4. Powered lift-away capability. The powered lift-away feature allows for versatile cleaning, with the detachable pod enabling motorized cleaning under furniture and above-floor areas. This functionality ensures thorough cleaning even in hard-to-reach spaces, such as upholstery, stairs, and corners. Number 5. Pet-friendly design. Designed with pet owners in mind, this vacuum includes a self-cleaning pet power brush and a pet crevice tool. These attachments are specifically crafted to remove pet hair from various surfaces, including upholstery, furniture, and tight spaces like corners and crevices. Number 6. Anti-Allergen complete seal. For households with allergy concerns, this vacuum offers peace of mind with its anti-allergen complete seal technology. Paired with a HEPA filter, it effectively traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside the vacuum, ensuring cleaner air with every use. Number 7. Large capacity dust cup. With a generous 1-quart dust cup capacity, this vacuum allows for longer cleaning sessions without the hassle of frequent emptying. This feature is particularly convenient for larger homes or spaces requiring extensive cleaning. Number 8. Enhanced maneuverability and visibility. Due to active glide technology and powerful LED headlights, maneuvering this vacuum is a breeze. It effortlessly glides across both hard floors and carpets while illuminating hidden debris and pet hair for thorough cleaning. Number 9. Comprehensive package. Included with the vacuum are essential accessories such as a dusting brush, pet crevice tool, and self-cleaning pet power brush, providing users with everything they need for effective cleaning. Number 10. Warranty. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty, this vacuum offers reliability and peace of mind. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 12 inches length by 15.09 inches width by 46.25 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Shark Vertex powered lift-away upright vacuum sets a new standard for home cleaning with its powerful suction, innovative features, and user-friendly design. Whether tackling pet hair, deep-seated dirt, or allergens, this vacuum excels on all fronts, ensuring thorough and efficient cleaning results. Its versatility, coupled with a comprehensive accessory package and a 5-year limited warranty, offers exceptional value and peace of mind to users. With this vacuum, achieving a spotless home has never been easier or more satisfying, making it an indispensable tool for households seeking top-tier cleaning performance. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.